realizing that I wanted to show you these beautiful winter, well, they're fall fabrics. And so, of course, I don't think I'll be working on them right now, but they're just such a beautiful grouping. And it come to find out it was the large panel. Here is the second grouping of panel pieces that came with my bundle. And I know it's spring, but these are so gorgeous. I may just put it aside for later in the year, but I just loved it. Hi, this is a panel that I just received in the mail from Keepsake Quilting. And let me tell you about it because it came in a bundle with, I believe, 5 half yards of coordinating fabric and another panel. Let me show you the whole grouping, okay? Pieces. And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 half yards of fabric. So that was quite the bundle, and I think it was in under, I want to say it was probably $34 for all of that, which was unheard of. So that was Keepsake Quilting, and I think they had a sale on top of whatever it's listed. But I believe, well, I didn't check. They could possibly still be available. But you know, let's look at the fabrics real quick, and then I'll show the panel play book that I'm going to try to work with. Okay? So here is the beautiful honeybees and flowers. I just really like that. The colors. These are, the whole group is from, it's all listed on here. Lily Ford for Blank Quilting Company, Late Summer Harvest. So there's the bees. These look like bales of hay in lines, like they would be stacked. Here is our honeybee houses with jars of honey. A lovely orange. Not too bright, just right. Another bunch of little bees. They look like little bumbles. They don't look like yellow jackets. I don't like them. These are bumblebees. Here's a lovely plaid. Reminds me of one of my dad's shirts when I was young, very young. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Take a look at those. Let me pull them over here where you can see them. Aren't those just lovely? And what I'm looking at is the panel play book by Barbara Becker. I've made a couple of these. I made some with some dog prints, I think, at one point. Just sort of similar to those, but different fabrics. And then as I was looking through this again today, this always appealed to me, this one, where you use different colored fabrics and make it look like a shadow. But I don't think that would work with this bunch. And then this one always appealed to me too, but that's an awful lot of little squares, don't you think? Those are little 2-inch squares. And I always thought, let's see, there's another one in here I really appreciated. I think it was this coffee cup one. Doesn't that look cute? I mean, did you make one like that also? I made a table topper. It wasn't a runner, and it was very similar to that. Probably 15 years ago. I know it became threadbare, and I ended up retiring it. But this one, back here in the back, let's see where it is. Here it is. This has these flavors. And what it shows is the panel down the middle. And then what it has done is simply taken strips and made like a rainbow effect around it. And I think that these fabrics would go together lovely as strips. Maybe I'd put in a lighter yellowy one. What do you think? Is there any yellow in that? Well, there's blonde. Maybe I'll use a blonde. There's no true yellow or direct orange, but this, I think this could really be done lovely. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all of the smaller blocks. This is neat. Maybe something like this, where you put the blocks, have a background fabric, and then this would look good with all this darker colors in the blacks and things if we had a real strong black outline for it. That might be a really nice showstopper for my big long table. But I'm pretty sure these books are still available. I think I saw one on, where was that? Might have been Soft Squares, or it could have been Reb's Fab Stash, or it could have been Green Fairy. I don't remember. But those are the ones I tend to go to. Although I saw that Calliope Quilts has a new idea with a mystery box. Now that looked like fun. Take a look at that too. Calliope Quilts mystery box. Something of that nature. It was a new idea. All right, well, thank you, and we'll see you next time. I'll come down here. Nice to talk with you again, and I might table this for a while, but that was the newest my newest thing that came in, and now I've told myself, and I've told a few other people that I'm on a no buy February, so I guess this will be the last haul that I'll have for a while, until my block of the months come in that are already preset. Okay, well, have a lovely day. Good work this week. I'm looking forward to going back to work tomorrow morning, and boy, God bless. Have a good day. All right, take care. Bye-bye.